Yo, what is up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to make an Apple Watch from cardboard. So let's get to the video. So guys, for this project you need cardboard, some clear tape, a pair of scissors, one piece of construction paper, and a glue gun. So guys, we're going to start off step 1 by cutting 4 by 4.5 centimeters, like a square, and that will be the screen for our Apple Watch. And I have it right here. I have red cardboard. This came from a shoebox, and you're going to need 4 of these. So there is step 1. Alright guys, for the next step, we're going to need to take all 4 of these and we're going to glue them together. So like this, with all of them combined, and we're basically just going to glue these. Alright, so we're going to glue it right now. Okay, so now we have 3 of them glued together. So for the 4th one, we're going to flip it over and just glue it like that. So guys, now that we have the the screen, we're going to need a printout for the Apple Watch, and this is basically just going to be the display. After that, we're not going to print anything out. Alright, so we're going to cut this up, and we only need the black portion of the screen to be shown so we can glue that onto the watch. So let's do that. So guys, now that we have the Apple Watch, the next step is to make this waterproof, and we're going to put tape around the screen only. So let's do that. Alright guys, so we have the Apple Watch screen. So now we're going to need to do the side buttons. So let's go to the next step. So guys, for the next step, we're going to need to clean up the sides a bit, and for that, we're going to need a small piece of cardboard. It's going to go around like this to make the look cleaner. So we're going to do that, and we're just going to wrap it around and glue it together. Now we have a very clean looking Apple Watch. So this is the screen. So now what we're going to need is a power button and a volume button. So this is your own type of measurement compared to like what you did for your watch. So we're going to just put that on the sides. We're going to do that right now. Alright guys, we have the volume button and the power button. So this is looking really nice right now. So now you're probably wondering why is there nothing at the back? So we need a heart rate sensor. So for that, we're going to need 4 small circles, and if you can see this, let me let this pick up. We're going to need a circle, and we're going to basically, after you've cut that out, we're going to glue this on, and we're going to go to the next step. Alright guys, we have the heart sensor done. So these are the 4 different dots. We have the volume button and the power button. We have the screen, and now the last step is we need a band. So we're going to make that right now. So guys, for the last step, you're going to need to measure your wrist size. So this is an approximate of how much mine is. So it's going to need to be straight. This is a bit crooked, but after you've done that and measured your wrist, cut up a cardboard piece according to like how wide you want your watch to be, or the band to be. So now after that, you're going to lay it out and see if it looks nice. Mine looks pretty good. And after that, if you notice, this does not look nice at all. So what you're going to need is an Apple Watch template, and you're going to print that out, put it on top of the cardboard, and then cut it out. And once you've done that, it should look somewhat like this. So this is where you tighten your strap. And now what you're going to do is, after you've done all of that, is you're going to go to the final step. So guys, for the final step, this is going to be painful, but you're going to take the strap and you're going to cut it in half. Yes, you are going to cut it in half, and then you're going to glue both sides onto the watch. Alright guys, so I've cut my strap in half. So now what we're going to do is we're going to glue it on like this, and glue the other one like this, and it should look like this at the end. Alright guys, there is your Apple Watch Series 6. So that is the most recent Apple Watch. So if you can see, I added staples, and that's so the band stays together. You can add more glue if you'd like. There's your heart sensor, your power and volume button, the screen itself. The band is very nice. And there you have it. There is your Apple Watch. There is your quality content. And if you'd like to see more content like this, please make sure to smash the subscribe button, like this video, and as always, peace out.